So I was planning to go out of town on a trip or some would say a vacation or a holiday, and I needed someone or something to feed my fish. So I got this Cherlam off of Amazon. I think it was like around 15 bucks or something like that. I wanted to get like the bare bones, bare minimum basic fish feeder. I didn't need a USB rechargeable Wi-Fi one. I just wanted one that just works, basically. And so I picked this one. It has 4 buttons on the back. Let's see. If you don't want to use the clamp, it comes with this little sticker disc, mounting disc, and instruction manual. And that's it. So like I said, it has 4 buttons, 8, 12, and 24. And then the button to make it go. So let's get some batteries in this thing. Ha! Looks like 2 AA's. There we go. Let's give it a little push. Oh, it's really silent. Not much noise, so that's good. So we're going to set this, I'll put it on for 8 hours right now. And see a little light blinks on which one you have it set on. You adjust how much food comes out right here. I recommend using pellet food. Flake food doesn't work so well in it, so definitely try to use pellet. And let's see how this thing goes. Let's give it a test. Oh yeah. It's working. Oh yeah. Bon appetit, fish. Bon appetit. Alright. Well, thanks for watching.